Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some cream of chicken soup. I'm making this for my father. He got out the hospital. He's sick. I'm asking for the nation to say prayers for my father. His name is Henry, or Reverend Young is his name. Either way, please pray for him so that God touch his body and he can become whole again. Okay, so I'm going to make this cream of chicken soup for him. I'd like for you to follow along and learn how I do it. Okay, let's give this a thumbs up, send the prayers up, and subscribe. Check out my links below. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so in this pot here, I already put in about 6 ounces of water, give or take. I'm going to add some onions. This is one medium onion cut up. This is one bundle of scallions cut up. This is one sweet potato cut up. One white potato cut up. And I have some tomatoes, but I'm gonna wait until to put the tomatoes in a little later. Okay, so I'm gonna give that about 5 minutes to start up, and then I'm gonna add the chicken. Okay, so we'll be back in 5 minutes with you. Thank you. Okay, so our vegetables have been cooking for about 7 minutes, and now I want to add the chicken. This is 3 chicken breasts cut up. And I can see I need some more water because the water has boiled down. I want to make sure I'm covering the chicken and vegetables. So let me add that. Okay, so now that's a total of 12 ounces of water I put in so far. I have not put any seasoning or anything in yet. I'm just letting this cook down. Okay, I'll give that another 15 minutes and then I'll come back and add the tomatoes. We'll be back. Okay, so our chicken and vegetable for our cream of chicken soup have been cooking for about 20 minutes along with the chicken. I can feel that the sweet potatoes are not soft yet. Okay, so let's add some more ingredients. We're going to add some chicken broth. Chicken broth. 1, 2, 3 heaping tablespoons full. That'll bring some nice flavor. Some celery salt. Because I don't have any celery, I'm using the celery salt. Granulated onions. Black pepper. I'm sorry, I didn't show you the granulated onions. My fault. Black pepper. And let me get a clean spoon and put some garlic in there. I have some garlic paste. Half a teaspoon of garlic paste. mix that up really good. And now I'm going to add, this is 3 diced tomatoes. I'm going to add that. And let me come right back with the word of the day. Okay guys, so our chicken soup is done. I put it in the Ninja because I'm going to puree it. I'm making this again for my father who is sick. He just got out the hospital and he has some concerns about food going down. Okay? Alright, so we're going to give this a try. I want to put some plastic over here just in case it spills out because it is hot. And then I want to at the end add some cream of chicken soup depending on, to make it a little thick, not too thick. Okay, so my choices are smoothie, no, extract, no, puree, yes. But first I'm going to put it on mix and then I'll see how I want it, if I want to go to puree, okay? So we're going to give this a try. And this is for you also if you have any problems where you need to eat your food in a different way, like you need it broken down or to be able to just swallow it easy. This is an option for you, or maybe you have a loved one, grandmother or someone that have that problem and now you know what to do so that they can still eat. Okay? Alright, let's go on mix. Okay, so I can see mix broken up, but I still see pieces of whole chicken. So not whole chicken, but pieces of chicken. So I want to now go to puree. And I have some cream of chicken soup in the can. I can open it. Here is the cream of chicken soup. We're going to use this as our thickener, or you can use cornstarch, okay? Yes, let me show you. So you can see it's still chunks. You can see the chunks, okay? I don't need to add too much puree because it's already thick. I may have to put some water in this to water it down, but at least I get the flavor from the chicken, cream of chicken. Okay, I put 3 heaping tablespoons in there. Have some water here. This is about 2 ounces of water. Okay, we're going to put the top back on. We're going to put our plastic on to catch any spillage. Okay, now we're going to go straight to puree. Okay, let's take a look. Yes, you can see. Let me show you. This is much better, right? Now you can thin it out even more by adding more water, because the thinner you make it, the better that they can swallow it. Okay, so I'm going to add a little more water. Be careful you don't go past this line here, because that's the full line. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I want to give it a stir. I'm going to hit it one more time on puree. Okay. Guys, we are there. Oh yes. Let me show you this. Let me get a bowl. Look. Let me put my hand in another position. Okay. Okay guys, look. Look how that pours off. You see? That's puree. That's what you want. And look in here. Okay, so remember we started out with chicken cut up in cubes, sweet potato, white potato, vegetables, which was the onions, scallions, tomatoes. So let me taste. Very good, guys. I like it. So just remember, if maybe you had a tooth pull or anything, you can't eat whole food, this is another option. It's the same food that you would normally eat out of a bowl if you're going to eat soup or something, but it's just broken down to a finer level, which is called puree. Okay? Okay. Okay, I'll be right back to give you the word of the day. Well guys, I want to give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, today is Grandma Ray's birthday, and I'm here serving you because I wanted to share it with you. Okay, so we're going to sing happy birthday to me. Ready? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, Grandma Ray. Happy birthday to me. Yay! Okay, now I'm going to go out and celebrate with my friends. Thank you. Love you. Bye-bye. Thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Let me hear your comments. Thanks.